Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use backgrounds in Canva. Now there are several ways to customize your background, so there are 7 that I'm going to take you through. The first one will be solid colors. So click anywhere on the background or on your page, then use the color tile in the top toolbar to pick a color. You can use any of these default colors as you'll see, or you can come here to add a new color, and this will allow you to enter a hex code. This is where you would enter it. You can also use a color picker, and you can pull color from anywhere on your screen. Next, there is gradients and palettes. Now we're going to scroll down just a little bit to see the default gradient colors, and you can choose from any one of these. The third way to customize your background is to use images as the background. So we're going to come out of the color page and head to uploads. You can also pull images from elements once you search for a specific image, but we're going to come here to uploads and select something from what you have uploaded to Canva. Select it and then 2-finger click on your mouse pad and use that to replace your background. Next up, you can use textures and patterns as backgrounds. So this is where you will actually go to elements page and you can type in texture, and you can use from graphics to photos to frames to videos, whichever the case is. Let's use a video for instance. And again, 2-finger click on your mouse pad to replace the background, and now the video is set as the background. Then you can actually search for backgrounds to use. So again, you will go to elements and in the search bar type in background, and this will pull up a lot of graphics, photos, again videos that you can use as your background. Again, same option, 2-finger click on your mouse pad and replace background. Then there's transparency. So select the background, then go up to your toolbar and look for transparency. Once you select that, you can toggle with this so that you could adjust the transparency of your new background. Then lastly, you can lock the background. So this is like if you have a lot of layers going on and you want to make sure that the background stays in place. For that purpose, you would lock your background. So again, you 2-finger click on your mouse pad, go down to lock background and you select locked, and now the background is locked in place. And that is it, guys. That is how you use backgrounds and customize them in Canva.